welcome to my video. I'm just going to go over how to extract subreddit submission posts using the Reddit Pushshift API, and yeah. So over here I pulled up the Pushshift API documentation. It has the three main endpoints where you can search the comments, search the submissions, search the subreddit, and over here we just have the different parameters that you can use to sort and filter out the submissions. Now this will be very useful as a reference for when we're starting out, so I would just keep that handy. So I'm just going to go over here to the right. And we're just going to start off by initializing a global dictionary. So I just labeled it substats to hold our data. Now, when retrieving the data, we will be using this function to get our URL up here on line 8. And when we use this URL, we modify the parameters after the endpoint to sort and filter out the data that we want. So let's just take a look at the parameters of this URL here. We have the Pushshift API followed by the Reddit search submission endpoint, and after that endpoint is where we'd want to specify our specific parameters. And in this example, I want to extract submissions within a certain time frame, so I would need to sort it out by the before and after parameter, which is over here, and I have it for after January 1st and before February 1st of 2021. Let me just make this bigger. Okay, it looks like that's good. So I have the timestamps converted to Unix, and we're just going to do the teaching subreddit when I initialized it. Now we want to import the request Python library, so we have access to the URL from the web. So the submissions will be stored in a JSON format, so we have to load the text accordingly using the loads method. So now we want to go through each submission and collect the data for each submission. And we want to extract the submission's title, author, ID, body text, and the create timestamp. And you can also extract more variables if you want. And now we want to refer back to our global dictionary, which was the substats, and denote the sub ID to represent each submission, and set that equal to the list of text information that we extracted from each submission. And this while loop over here will collect the data for each submission, update to the next submission. So we would have to set the submission post to the previous, so it could just decrement through them. And to write our data into a CSV file that we want to work with, that should be up here. And we want to include the name of the headers that we want for each column, and we want to do it for each submission in our stored data dictionary. And this upload count variable is to track the number of submissions that have been downloaded into the CSV files. Now I'm just going to run this. Let me just open a terminal I have set here. So it's just going to run. And it should take some time to download and write out the submissions depending on how large our data set is. But in this case, for a month of smaller subreddits, such as teaching, it shouldn't take too long. Okay, it's just going to ask us to input the file name that we want to name our submission. And I will just label it teaching data.csv. Okay, it looks like it's done, and now let's just take a look at the data set. Let me just pull it up. Oh, I have so many files. Teaching. Okay, .csv. Let me try again. Okay, there it was. It just took a while to show up. Okay, let me just enlarge this. So now along the top we have the headers that we initialize. We see the post ID, the title, the body, as well as the URL, author, publication, the publish date, as well as the total number of comments. And when you take a look at each submission in the body text, which is I'm assuming you want, you do have to do some further cleaning and pre-processing of the section if you want to analyze the text any further. This ends the tutorial, and I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and until next time, bye.